What's up guys, welcome back to Real Life Exotics, and today I'm gonna show you something cool. McLaren 600LT. Super cool car. Let's check it out. This McLaren is 2020. Spider, white, special carbon edition, right there. This is super crazy toy. I'm not McLaren guy, I'm Ferrari guy. I know very well Ferraris. So this is McLaren. I know how to fix them, but this is like exactly like 570, but it's upgraded, so it means 600LT. They they put in new bumpers, the side skirts, wheels, suspension I believe 720S, exactly the same. Like the interior pretty much the same, like the seats is different. There is bucket seats, carbon fiber. And Alcantara everywhere. So this car, of course, is much faster than 570. It's big difference for me. I bought this car from auction. The car been completely wrapped on a white wrap, like copper. They're using some white wrap, and you cannot see what is going on. I believe it's right side suspension. Okay, front has been messed up. So front looks like this. This is the two main bars, like reinforcement. It's called crash bars, and they connect into the carbon fiber body. And when they damage whatever side or middle, they just slides and break all bolts, whatever is holding the crash bars. And that's it. That's how it looks like front. So suspension is pretty simple, like just arms, upper, lower, pretty much like all supercars, pretty much. I'm telling you guys right now, it's not bad, it's easy, but it's been hard, to be honest. I remember I work at night and I don't even film because it's been really hard. I replaced the rear quarter for whole night. I replaced the rear quarter completely, and I adjust the back. The back is not frame, it's just body. So let me show you. I replaced the rear quarter panel. It's same exactly like 570, even Spider and Coupe, they are same. It surprised me. So I got the quarter panel and all parts from England. I have a guy, he give me good deals. Sometimes he rip me, he probably hitting me right now. Sometimes he rip me just a little bit, but it's okay, it's okay. And whole front I replaced also. This is 570, same. Just the front bumper, lower piece, carbon fiber, headlights 600LT. So when the car arrived to my shop, we cannot take it off from the trailer because front suspension, right side and rear has been not broke, has been messed up. I replaced completely. been hard to take it off. I remember we scratched some panels and later we fixed it. So because keys been missing. Later on, previous owner, he write me a message. He's like, this is my previous car. I installed the tune. He said, I have a key. He got 2 keys. I pay him $500 for keys because keys for McLaren pretty expensive. For my brother, it cost him, I think, 4,000 or 5,000 because he has to replace completely body control module. Something still not working. They play around, but finally they start the car. But it's a different story. First of all, I've been kind of upset because damage has been way too much than I thought, and I'm like, whatever happened. And I start working on the car. The rear quarter actually been fixable, but I replaced it because it's just easy to replace. Not easy, but it's no welding. It's just glue, rivets, and bolts. Pretty much, that's it. When I receive the key, I start the car right away. Even it's been damaged, and car starts, and it's been 5,000 miles. Right now it's already 6. I put in like less than 1,000. So, but this is gas killer, guys. On this time, when Biden raised the gas, I'm sorry, Biden, but please lower the gas because I cannot drive this car. So when I received the car, I didn't know their back deploy. So I thought it's gonna cost me a lot, but it's only $250 for newer back, and door panel cost me to fix like super small things. It cost me a couple $100, $4 or $5, I guess, something like that. Interior, 2-tone actually, sway and orange. The seat belt, it's construction zoning steel bed. The car is mixed with carbon, trim, driver zone, center console, steering wheel, everything is carbon fiber. Door handles, carbon fiber. It's pretty simple on the McLaren. Mostly everything touch screen. I replaced this fender, hood, other fender, bumper, completely. Actually, whole front I replaced. Fender support, everything is brand new. The front bumper, lower piece is used, upper piece is brand new. Windshield is brand new. Door is original. The front top, like pretty much like whole front is brand new because the top, headlights, reinforcement, actually reinforcement is original. This suspension, shock is original. All arm controls I replaced. 2 wheels I replaced, front and rear wheels. This fender, of course, completely bumper, parking sensors. This door is original. Front is been on this car pretty simple. I install it and everything matched perfectly, the gaps and stuff, but with rear quarter I play a little bit. It's been hard a little bit because glue, rivets, bolts, radiators, whole this side I replaced. And so whole rear suspension also replaced. Only brake caliper is original, but brake rod is pretty pricey. Like, to be honest, I bought it brand new them and they're pretty pricey. Like carbon ceramic brakes. Rear bumper, oh yeah, rear bumper is really expensive. I don't know how much I paid, like a lot of, like, I mean, it's not a couple $1,000 because it's completely fully carbon fiber. Those pieces also is carbon fiber, but they painted originally on top and they leave this piece carbon. It's also separate, but this piece is carbon fiber, but I'm thinking to clear this carbon, but it's not gonna match, it's not gonna look good because it looks like it's whole back from different car, you know. So spoiler, this trunk, it's been just painted the gray, but I resend it and make a look carbon. But this is original carbon, actually original. I don't know why McLaren painted this. This is, this been carbon also, and this bumper, completely bumper, I replaced completely with this side. Pretty much that's it. But oh yeah, all fender liners brand new, under gravel panel brand new. Front under gravel panel pretty pricey because it's carbon fiber. I don't remember how much I paid, but it's forged carbon underneath. Rear, I fixed the rear. It's been broke a little bit. It's carbon also, but we fixed. My neighbor Mike, time when I test drive this car, active, disactive, right? Doesn't work. And I'm like, whatever, I thought it's like, that's all the power. But when I fix the, when I fix the problem, it's been like harness for, not harness, the sensor, headlight level sensor has been broken. So when I replace the headlight sensor, and I think it's suspension level also, and cars start just flying. It's just flying. It's unbelievable fast. I believe, I'm not sure, I think it's 800 or 900 this car has. Somebody told me this tune has 900, and this car makes like huge blow, like flames in the from exhaust, you know. So this car is fully carbon, like all option. Only those pieces. I remember I have other McLaren 570, and those pieces been carbon. That this car has everywhere sway. I'm not sure if this is McLaren P1 seats. Maybe not, but they're pretty comfortable. And yeah, center console carbon, all trims carbon, steering wheel carbon, pedal shifters carbon. This car is pretty cool, and it's the all around outside, like spoiler carbon, side skirts carbon, diffuser carbon. Oh yeah, diffuser is pretty pricey, and front lip, it's unbelievable expensive. Really expensive. Everything for this McLaren 600LT is pretty expensive. 570 is not that bad, like very simple, like it's plastic, regular plastic. But for this car, just the front bumper, lower piece, it's 600LT, and rear diffuser. Everything else pretty much is same quarter panels, same. This car doesn't have, I'm surprised when he crashed the car, I think he don't have a belts because the airbags didn't blow up. And the belts I put in just different color, but later on, I tried to match the interior, but later on I realized this is the, you know, construction color. Looks like, you know, I'm like, you know, I look like construction worker, but next time I want to put in the white color. I think white is better for this car. I don't know, like it's up to you guys, but I still like this color. I mean, I still like this color, but whatever. Everything works properly. Car drive pretty straight. My hands is here. Car drive very straight, you know. Alignment is good. No warning lights on the dash. So the rear spoiler and the rear trunk, they been carbon, but they've been painted. So I just resanded with sandpaper and just re-clear the spray clear coating, and it's underneath it's a clear, nice carbon fiber spoiler and nice carbon fiber trunk engine lid. So I don't know why they painted the factory. They painted some pieces. They painted just regular color. Why you painted carbon fiber? I don't know why. Like, to be honest, I don't know why factory doing this. Yeah, I already put in on this car about 500 miles, and this car like doesn't have any issues, any problems. Drive really good. No check engine lights. Oh yeah, it's been when I start the car, it's been check engine lights on. I thought because of the what they call of the tune, but later on I plug it in my computer and I scanner, and I find out it's old catalytic converter sensor. I replace it and it's no more problem, you know, no more check engine lights. This car has been damage on the suspension. Ты меня снимаешь? Видно меня? It's been damage on the suspension, so I replace the suspension same like 720S McLaren, exactly the same. I'm surprised. Even the brake calipers, brake rotors, everything is 700 McLaren 720S. Yeah, everything the same. So I bought it everything brand new. Suspension, everything is brand new. Brake rotors brand new. They're pretty pricey, but the guy from England, he gave me a really good deal. All parts pretty much not what they call, not We don't use body filler, just yeah, bumpers is brand new. Yeah, we don't use on this car body filler, yeah. We just paint it, sand it and paint it, pretty much. The handle on this car is pretty strong, but compared to Ferrari, Ferrari's take on the corners much better. But this car is maybe it's because it's tuned and really fast, and that's why I feel like it's a little bit hard to take a corners, because this car is just flying on the corners. It's really good, but 720 is better. Like, okay, it feels like you're driving 720. Power a little bit better on this car. Handle, 720 has better handle, I feel. Just maybe a little bit, maybe same, about the same. But it's better than Toyota Prius, better. Надо чем-то интересным закончить его.
Лобовуху разбей.
Да без проблем, йоу! Что думаешь, не разобью?
Йоу, дюд.
Крепкая! Guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I did this for you guys. I tried to finish with something cool. I did.